Well, hello guys, and welcome back to another haul video. This is not going to be a very large haul video because I didn't do good. I went to a few yard sales. I went to I went to 2 estate sales, and both of them were womp womps. So I don't have a lot to show you, but I have a couple things, so I want to show you. The one thing I want to show you guys real quick is this. We are in my bedroom for me to show you guys this piece because it was already upstairs. I didn't want to bring it downstairs to show you, but I did get my fish. I love that pink color and the spots on his tail. This lighting is terrible. There you go. So, look at this. Beautiful fish. So I got this for myself. It's gonna go above my dresser. I know, it's weird, it's fine, but it's just what I like, so I got my fish. Love her. So I was excited about my fish. I know, it's weird. It's a taxidermied fish. Why do I want a taxidermied fish? Because I think it is pretty and I like it, and I love that pink color, so I was happy about my fish. I did see it on the very first day. They wanted $175 or no, $150 for it. I obviously didn't pay that. I went on the last day, and on the last day, or on this second weekend, everything was half off. I asked her if she could shave a little bit more off the top, and she said she would, so I ended up getting that fish for $60. So I was really happy about that. Also at that estate sale, I got this old Christmas candy tin. Oh no, fruitcake tin. I found this in the garage, and she charged, I didn't see this the first time I went, but she charged me $5 for this. And it is completely full of these old keys, and locks, and all sorts of fun stuff. Now you can do a lot with these keys for crafts, or honestly, in my antique booth, I have just like these little bags, and I'll just take, a handful of them and put them in a bag and sell them, for one price for the bag, and they usually sell pretty quickly. So this whole thing of old keys, and then it's full, and here's another kind of cool lock. This whole thing is completely full of these old keys, and there's actually a lot of change in the bottom of this. So if you added up all those coins, I paid far less than $5. I mean, the whole bottom is just coated in coinage. So I did pick that up. I thought that was pretty cool. So $5 for that. Then I also did grab this flower frog. This flower frog was $1. And I don't usually pick up the glass ones. I have a very large collection of the metal ones. I don't really have any of these, but they make really cool marble displays, or on your desk you can use them to hold your pens and whatnots. Also on the 4th of July, if you put those little American flags in here, that makes a really fun 4th of July display. But for $1, I did pick it up. This can go for $12 to $15 in my antique booth. And this one's in great condition. Normally when you find these, they're pretty chipped up and cracked, but this one's fine. So that was another booth item as well. Then everything else I got, which, like I said, is not a lot, but it's still worth showing you guys. I got some stuff at a yard sale. So I did pick these up. These are these Italian-made bookends. They were $1 each, which was a little odd because they are clearly a pair of bookends, but I didn't mind paying $1 each for these. They are very well made. It's marked Italy on the bottom. Again, I always say no chips or cracks, but then see, like I find one right now. There's a little chippy right there, but it's mostly just paint, so I could touch that up with some black paint. But these are really cute. So I picked those up. These will probably be on my eBay. They're very fun. Like, those are so unique. So if you're interested in these, you can go to my eBay. It will be linked in the description box below. Or if you look and they're not up yet, please feel free to email me. You can email me at the.Withering.Cottage@gmail.com. But those are super cool. Unwrapping alert. A lot of the stuff is still wrapped. I did not unwrap it. So just hang out with me. I did pick this up for myself. It was $2. It is a brand new candle. I love candles. I am constantly burning candles in my house nonstop. So when I see a candle at a yard sale or an estate sale or a thrift store for a reasonable price, I pick them up because you just burn them and then they're nothing. So the cheaper you can find them, as long as they don't stink, pick them up. Or at least I pick them up. All right, what's next? What's next? Oh, this is really cool. I like this a lot. See, I'm going to show you this. Everybody guess what this goes to? Dun, 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 dun. Look. Oh, I just noticed this. That's a good find. Let's see. Come on, ring light. Why you keep letting me down? Hanger. Now, it is a barcode hanger, so it is a more modern piece. But look at this cat. Black cat. Fishbowl. And it's Hager. I didn't know it was Hager. I just liked it because of this. So, this I got for $1. $1 at that yard sale. So this will definitely be up on my eBay if you are interested. Let's see. I will tell you it's in perfect condition, and I'm sure I will find something wrong with it when I go to list it, but as of right now, I see no issues with it. How cute is this? And for Halloween too, fill this up with some like little orange tinsel and maybe a couple little small pumpkins or some candy corn. Get out of here. That would be so cute. So really happy about that, especially for $1. That's amazing. And then I grabbed these. These look like they say, these are marked on the bottom. I can't quite read, but I did get this pair of black cats as well with the gold rhinestone eyes. I did better than I remember doing at that yard sale. It is, like I said, it is marked in the glaze. You kind of just have to hit the right light to kind of see what it says. It's very hard to make out, but these are great. No chips. Again, I'll probably find a chip, but as of right now, I see no chips. These are amazing mid-century black ceramic rhinestone cats, and they're big. Like, those are really cool. So these will be on my eBay as well. And if you go to my eBay and you don't see them right away, I am trying to get caught up with my haul, or with my shop-alongs, and then my hauls, and then my listing, and then I have shipping. And I am a one-person show, but I'm doing my darndest. But if you go to my eBay and you don't see these right away, just keep checking back. They should be up within a couple of days of the video posting. So there are those. I like those a lot. And then I did also get these two blow molds that they're outside because they're a little dirty and I have to clean them. So I'm going to insert a quick little clip here. Here are the two blow molds I picked up at that one garage sale. I paid $15 for the pair. The reason why they're outside is because, as you can see, this one needs to be washed out. They both have their original plugs. This one has like a full-size light bulb. That one has one of the smaller ones, but they are in pretty much really good. This one's in like really, really good condition. This one has some color fading, but look at that kitty cat. Very cool. So, like I said, I paid $15 for the pair of those. I'm probably going to throw them in my booth. This one does sell for about $90 on eBay, but the shipping on those is really, really high. So, probably going to put them both in my booth. Probably anywhere from $45 to $50 a piece. Just a quick flip in time, just in time for Halloween. So, those are those. All right. So those were really cool. I was happy about that. And then look at this one. I think this one is my favorite. This one might be a little hard for me to let go of. But as of right now, I have no negative tally marks against me for keeping things out of this haul. So that's good. But look at this one. Now those are some really cool rhinestone eyes. And just his shape, that twistiness of him. He is ceramic as well. He is also in very good condition. Here is his bottom. So it looks like it was a black cat kind of yard sale day, but I'm not complaining. So he will probably be on my eBay too. And his eyes are just so cool. I really like him too. Yeah, did good. Now, I know that was a super short haul, but I still really wanted to show you guys because I love showing you guys what I find. It's like having a friend, and I like you guys. I like chatting with you. I like discussing the things, and I like seeing you guys bid on the things on eBay. It's really fun for me to kind of connect all of my worlds into one. But that was all I had to show you guys. But thank you so much again for joining me at The Withering Cottage. Bye, guys.